Welcome, students, to Unit 13. That's all about statistics. Now, just to state, some students or teachers prefer to use like a TI-84 graphing calculator to do statistics. Maybe that's the way they learned. Maybe they enjoy it more. And these calculators are both legal for your APEX, and they're legal on the state exam. So if you want to use an 84, you're welcome to do that. But I'm also going to show you how you can use Desmos to do the same thing. So let's share my screen and let's show you how Desmos can be used for these items as well. So let's get this all squared up here. Okay, so this is asking for the mean of these. And again, statistics, you're going to be doing mean, median, mode, all kinds of things. Desmos has the ability to find averages or means. So let me show you a way that we can do that. If you go into functions, you notice under statistics, it says mean. So if you click that, and then you simply type in the numbers that are there, 22, 37, 49, 15, and 92, it'll tell you that the mean or the average is 43. So it has that ability to just take the numbers that you're given and it'll find the mean for you. Again, just so you see, it'll also do the median. It'll find the minimum, the maximum, as we're going to do in a second, standard deviation. Now, the formula for standard deviation is really, really messy. The good news is because it's programmed into Desmos and it's programmed into the 84s, you never have to memorize or use this formula. You just need to put the data into the formula. So let's go for standard deviation and let's type in our values for X. 7, 5, 10. And again, remember to put your commas in between them. And there we go. The standard deviation for this group of data is 2.9. We're going to go with choice C. What is the interquartile range? So the interquartile range is Q3, the upper quartile, minus Q1. Now, this one isn't so bad because they lay it out for you in order from low to high. But if it was all mixed up, that could really make it difficult. One of the things that we want to do, though, is show you how you could use Desmos. And you will see that quartiles, careful, not quantile, quartiles are part of that. So if we put quartile here, and we use these square brackets to put all these numbers in, 2, 5, 9, 11, 18, 30, 42, 48, 55, 73, and 81. And we close that off. And actually, we want to close it off with a bracket. Whoops. There we go. Now, there's, again, both a lower quartile, which is the 25% mark, and an upper quartile, which is the 75% mark. And the interquartile range is the 75% mark minus the 25% mark. So if we just go in here and we say, give me the third quartile, it tells me that that is 55. So again, it's quartile, parentheses. You put in all your data in these squared brackets. And when the squared bracket ends, put comma, and whether you want the third quartile or the first quartile. And in this case, we wanted the third. So that means we're going to go 55. Now, the interquartile range is the third minus the first. So I just leave the data in there and now change it to the first quartile. And now 55, quartile 3, minus 9, quartile 1, means the interquartile range is choice D, 46. So get familiar with the functions, the statistic functions in Desmos, and it'll help you through Unit 13.